this is my third year. I stopped here at this location, so I will start from here only. See, here you have selected the location. You need to offset the location from this coordinate system, otherwise it won't work. You cannot move this point anywhere in x, y, z direction. Okay, if you want to move, see, when axis is getting highlighted, then only you can able to move. Okay, and click the middle click, it will be done. So this is how routing has been created. Consider a situation there where you want to create a straight harness, and say a straight harness need to be created between these 2 points, or let me say I'll move this point a bit further. What is this point? Edit definition. Okay, keep this point here, and I'll take another point here, this location, offset, and this location. Okay, now I want harness to be straight in this location. So how to create that harness to be straight? Edit definition, go straight, click option here, and see how the straightness has come. Here also if we click here, straightness, it further makes straight. See, this is how the straightness you will do. This is how it will come. Edit definition, you just bring it down. Depends how you want, you can change. This is how straightness to be done. Okay, this is what straightness. Sometimes there will be occasion. I'll try to get now. I'll check some other location, how to take bending, cloud bending, and everything. Okay, uh, this is how straightness is done, and just move it a bit further. Okay, to look good. Suppose, see here there are too many locations you are getting. You don't know, you want this location to get highlighted, but you don't know where exactly this is. Consider there are so many locations are there. In that case, you just go here, select, right click, try to right click until it get blue, until it get highlighted like that. I'll show you. See, it got highlighted. Just try to get that point, or get the pick from the list. See, this point get okay. Edit definition. You can adjust as per your requirement. Okay. And one more thing, if you don't want this location, remove location, select that location from both network and that bundle, and done select. When I click yes, the location get deleted. Again, if you want create a location, then same procedure. Go here, select this network, this one, offset with this one, done. Automatically it will get taken. This is how you will do routing. Okay. Now consider a situation where annoyed a new connector is there. You want to take a branch out. you want to take a branch out, okay, for this connector. So how you will take the branch out, I'll show you. You already have a one network here, so you need another network. Just nothing you need to do. I need to fix this one. First you need to fix this one, otherwise I'll tell you what happened if you don't fix it. Okay, that also I will tell. Again you go, you select this one, okay, network. Here already you are having points. So from which point you want? Consider I want a network from this point. I just select that point, corner systems. Why it is not getting highlighted? Something is there. Let me check. So it you will go here, select the point, okay, and select first the HRN entity, okay, then next select the coordinate. So this is how it is going to the inside the terminal, okay. So here right click, edit definition, and make it straight. And even at the HRN entity point also, if it is not visible, you just try to get that one. See, this becomes straight, okay. This is how you need to do routing. And here again I will take a new bundle, say B2 with the round. Here I have 122, only one. If I want the same bundle I can use that one, otherwise if I don't want again I will go for create and do. I want this bundle only, unrouted, done. If you go here and if you open the harness part, see the bundle has been there, route it, allow location from this point to, yeah, that point, okay, apply and see. Okay, this is how you have to do harness routing. This is how it will come. And if you want more, see here the radius is not that much good. Again, if you want to make it bend, you go here, select this one, select the corner system, offset, click here and just try to adjust this one as per the need. See, this is how you have to do. Okay, you don't worry about this one. You need sometimes uh, engineers will say you need to take up to corner point, corner system. Otherwise, you stop it at HRN entity only. Sometimes they will ask up to this length. So this is the thing how you need to do routing. Okay. And what else is required? You need to control the layers. Yeah. Here I didn't made constraint, right? So what happened if I didn't make it a constraint? You can clearly see these locations are in not also in fixed position, not also got constraint. When you constrain this part, then only it will get constrained. What I will do, I'll just make it fix and click Ctrl G. See, the problem has been resolved. So here, no location should be in air. They should be in fixed position. They like this. They should not be in any what do you call non-constraint mode. Okay, and this is the harness routing. And in next video I'll teach you what is this one.